Another trinomial that we need to factor where the leading coefficient is not 1, it's 4. And since it's not 1, let's follow our steps again. Multiply 4 times 1 to get 4. You want to list the factors of 4, which is 1 and 4 and 2 and 2. You want to choose which one of these is going to give you 5. In this case, it would be 1 and 4. Now that I've chosen those, I need to rewrite this trinomial as a polynomial with 4 terms. So 4z squared I'm just going to bring down, and I'm going to plug in my 1 and my 4 so that it will equal. So here I'd get a plus 4z plus 1z, and I'm going to bring down the plus 1. Now that I have done all that, I'm going to factor by grouping. 4z squared plus 4z actually has a 4z in common. So when I divide the 4z out, I'll see what will be left inside of my parentheses. 4z squared divided by 4z is going to leave me with a z, and 4z divided by 4z here is going to leave me with a plus 1. Now I can already see that match. So the only thing, since there is no greatest common factor between z and 1, there is always at least one thing that they have in common, and that is the number 1. So we'll factor out the number 1 and be left with the z plus 1. Now that I have the two binomials that match, z plus 1 and z plus 1, they become the greatest common factor, and what's left gets put in my second set of parentheses. So that will be your final answer.